Hey guys, so I totally forgot about posting a video today, so I figured I would just quickly make a little nighttime packing routine video, and I just filmed it, but I just was unsure about it, so I decided I would just sum up kind of what I did rather than walking you through every single step. And if you want a more thorough packing video, like this video, let me know in the comments, and I can get something much more thorough because I just want to do something really quick tonight. But pretty much a couple tricks that I use to make packing easier is I always use packing cubes. This is my intimate clothes like tights, pantyhose, um, you know, undergarments, anything like that goes in there. And then this is all of my clothes, not including my uniform because I am going on a work trip, but all of my other clothes. So I have a really small pair of pajamas, a pair of gym shorts, sports bra. I have, what else? A pair of biker shorts for like daytime, two long sleeve top options, and tights to go with the biker shorts in case it's cold. I have my jacket inside this pouch right here, and also a scarf if for any reason it's really, really cold wherever we end up. And I have my pair of super dirty white Converse, totally falling apart, but we're still doing it. And then I have a, what is this, reusable bag, just in case, you never know what you're going to end up doing. And then in here I have my makeup and my toiletries. And I wanted to mention the toiletries just really quickly because what I do actually is I no longer buy like all little tiny containers for toiletries. Even toothpaste I put in a reusable container. And this is a lotion that I actually do use, but I just buy it in a bigger container now and I replace it. And then the two that I took labels off, one has face cream in it, and then one has a daily cream because this is like really thick cream, so I use this one for night. And yeah, so that is basically how I make packing super easy. I always keep these packing cubes together because these are my preferred two sizes when I'm going on a 2 or 3 day trip. Even probably up until like a 5 day trip, I can work with this. Maybe I'll add one other bag sometimes, but usually not. On top of this stuff, I will bring a lunchbox, which I would have to talk about in a different video because I currently have it in the kitchen, and also there's a lot in there, but I usually pack a bunch of non-perishable food like tuna, oatmeal, what else? I can't really think of so tired. Tuna, oatmeal, Pop-Tarts, miso soup, pack of ramen. I have some supplement, like some shakes, powders, like individual packaged ones that just add to water. I have a bunch of coffee and tea options, and that is basically, I think, like non-perishable. And then perishable, I put in a couple hard-boiled eggs, I put in a stir fry, and I put in a salad. And I'm going to put a pack of ice with that. I keep in separate compartments that don't touch the food. I put in my 2 pairs of shoes I wear for work, flats and heels, and also my sweater for work, so that I have easy access to it. And then in my bag here, I'm going to put in my laptop, all my chargers and whatnot. They're all in a case. I have one that's my chargers just to charge like my phone, my work phone, my Apple Watch, like the things that I absolutely need every day. And then I also have in a separate container all of my computer chargers and attachments and like a mouse and all that stuff. And then on top of that, I think that's it. I think I'll bring my vlogging camera because I'm going to vlog when I'm there. So that's basically it. While you're on my channel, if you could go ahead and check out Mora Mitchell. She is still posting every single day. I think she's at like day 56 out of 60 days and posting in a row. So she's doing great, and she posts completely different content than mine, so definitely go and check her out. Also, I'm going to put the link in the description for RD Tyrus. Please go check him out. Tomorrow, he is coming out with a new music video, and it is a video that is in Creole, and it is about Haiti. But I promise you, even if you don't speak Creole, it is a beautiful video, and I'm so proud of it. I actually did the entire creative process. I came up with the concept. I kind of bounced some ideas off of Tyrus, and we kind of worked together, but the initial idea I went to him with, and then kind of adjusted it to what he thought, and changed it for the Haitian theme. And then I directed, produced, filmed, and edited this video, and I'm so proud. It's the first time I've done a whole music video all by myself, other than actually singing the song. And so definitely check it out. I think I'm going to make a video and share like on that topic of making that music video, and also show the trailer tomorrow on my channel. But to see the full video, go over to his channel. It should be up probably by mid-afternoon. So thank you guys so much for watching my video. And if you could just like and subscribe for more videos, I would really, really appreciate it. But even if you don't, I still appreciate you watching my video this far. So thank you so much, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye!